Elowyn Swim Journey, Episode 6.
Humpty Dumpty.
Humpty Dumpties are when a child sits on the edge of the pool, leans forward, and falls in belly first. It's a fun, effective way to teach young children about breath control and buoyancy, and Elowyn loves it. She was only a couple months old when we first started doing this, so we started small, sitting her on a floating mat instead of the edge of the pool because it's safer that way, and just getting her used to the pattern, going through the motions without actually taking her underwater. Then we let her get her face wet, and we gradually progressed from there until we were doing them from the wall of the pool and going all the way underwater for a little bit of a distance.
Then we started replicating a variety of different real-world situations so she could get used to falling into the water on her front and remaining calm.
Humpty Dumpties can progress into lots of different skills, including falling in off a platform and then swimming a distance like you see here.
Or what to do if you lose your balance in the water.
Get back and stand up. Smart girl. Good job. Swim back to that island.
Or how to get back to safety when you accidentally fall into the water.
As a mom, one of my favorite skills to practice with her is teaching her how to get back to the wall she fell in from.
After lots of practice, Elowyn learned to jump in the water from a standing position, turn around, kick and pull back to the wall, hold on, and lift her head up for a breath. This is a great safety skill. Hey Elowyn, what's your next video about?
Breath control.
That's right, breath control.
Yay!